Raptor's brand new flameproof range contains unique ceramic resins that provide tested heat resistance up to 1000 degrees Celsius. It's designed for use on components such as exhausts, headers, exhaust manifolds, tailpipes, mufflers, and other surfaces exposed to extremely high temperatures. And it won't blister, flake, crack, or peel. Before we do anything, we recommend gearing up with a respirator, a pair of safety goggles, and latex or nitrile gloves. First up, we're going to clean the surface using a solvent-based degreaser to make sure we have a clean surface to work with. Next up, we're going to sand the surface with P180 to 220 grit sandpaper. Then we're going to clean the surface again, ready for priming. Make sure you give the can a shake for at least 2 minutes before application. Apply 2 coats of the heat-proof primer at 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface. Make sure to flash off 10 minutes in between coats and let the primer dry for 1 hour before overcoating. Once you're finished, invert the can to purge the aerosol and chuck it back on the shelf for next time. Now we're ready to coat the surface using the flame-proof aerosol. Today we're going with Real Red. Apply 2 coats at 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes in between coats. The surface should be touch dry in about 30 minutes and dry through overnight. The advanced technology in these paints means that once these manifolds are back on the engine, the heat generated will actually help the paint cure through. Once you're finished, invert the can and spray it until only propellant comes out and chuck it back on the shelf for next time. Raptor's flameproof aerosols are heat resistant up to 1000 degrees Celsius, have superior adhesion, good chemical resistance to automotive fluids and common solvents, and it's available in satin clear, flat black and flat red. Head to raptorcoatings.com.au for the full range and have a read of our technical and safety data sheets.